Hey guys, good morning. So it's tennis day today. So I'm going to play tennis with some friends. I have my rackets here, shoes, extra clothes, personal items, and that's it. We're ready for the game, guys. Let's go. This is Saturday again, and this is how my weekend works. So I'm in the court now. Time to do some warm up before I hit the balls. Let's go. Tennis day today. Nangyari sa Bulacan natin?
Na-upgrade ako.
Saan? Na-upgrade siya. So bagsak natin. Ayala Malls. Hey!
Kailangan mo yun.
Hayop ka.
Nakakain na tayo. Gutom na tayo.
Ano yung sinulat mo? So hanapin niyo po dito sa Lamy Store yan. So we're here at Wilson Store right now. We're just going to buy a new racket. So they have a new limited edition RF racket here. Yeah, so this is the red one. So they only have 24 pieces here in the Philippines daw according to Wilson Store. Pero okay na, kakabili ko lang na Roland Garros ko. Okay na yan. I love my racket. Yeah, there. So, we're here at Wilson Store, MOA. Hey guys, so I just parked here in the coffee shop. So before ako bumaba, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo lahat ng mga binili ko today. So first of all, nakita niyo na to kanina on the previous clip. Bumili ako ng isa pang Lamy fountain pen. Actually, inaay ko talagang color na to because it's a limited edition color from Lamy Safari. So buksan natin. Wait, I'll show it to you guys. So wala na hindi na maganda yung unboxing natin. Wait lang. Okay, so here's the Lamy fountain pen. So this time I got myself the Scarlet color. So this is a limited edition color for Safari fountain pen. So there. Kaya dalawa na yung fountain pen ko, guys, kasi yung isa gagamitin ko sa mga greeting card ko and notes. Then the other one, the fine pen, ginagamit ko naman sa journaling. So ito, lagay ko na sa pencil case ko yan. So ito, tatago na natin to. Okay, so another purchase from Lamy. Then ikot-ikot kami kasi yung friend ko bumili ng tennis racket na bago. So ako, bumili ako ng pickleball paddle. Yan. So, ito yung recommended nila. Since I'm just a starter sa pickleball and side hustle ko lang ang pickleball, I still prefer to play tennis. Pero ito, yung weight-wise, mas okay daw sa akin to. And actually, magaspang siya. Yun yung gusto ko sa racket ng pickleball. Magaspang para kumapit yung bola. Anyway, this is okay na for a starter paddle. Kaya yan, look. It's orange also. So, pinartner ko talaga siya dun sa Roland Garros ko na tennis racket. Para parehong orange yung gamit ko. Kaya yan. Ito yung mga nabili ko lang today, guys. So, pickleball, racket, and my Lamy fountain pen. Kaya, ayos. Nagastusan na naman tayo for today's video. But anyway, it's okay. At least, anytime na may invitation, may magagamit ako na pang pickleball, diba? Kaya, tara, coffee shop na tayo at mag-journaling na ako.